Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Study with Coder. Today we are seeing the transformation. What is a transformation in a computer graphics? So first, the simple introduction of the transformation is and a definition of the transformation is a cartographer can change the size of the charts and topographical maps. So if a graphical image are coded as a number, the number can be stored in memory. These numbers are modified by mathematical operations called as transformation. So, computer graphics provide the facility of viewing object from different angles. The architect can study building from different angles, that is front evaluation, size evaluation, and top plans. These are the three different angles of a building or transformation. These are front evaluation, side elevation and top plans. Next, type of a transformation. There are 5 types of transformation, and these are the main 5 types of transformation: translation, scaling, rotating, reflection and shearing. Next, any question? If you have a question about this video, and if you ask something, then comment down. Thank you for seeing this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Study with Coder. See you in next video.